All right, next project. I got a customer dropping his car off here at the house. Looks like it came from Missouri. Got an engine rebuild to do. It's a little Y8. Everything's all original on it. He had a rod knock on it, so we're gonna pull the engine, put it on the stand, and get it rebuilt. All right. Definitely got a nod rocking. A rod knocking with a nod rocking. Oh yeah. She's knocking. Run, Camden, it's gonna blow. Hey! 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 Thought you saw something leaking. What? It might be a snot out of your nose. All right, well, why'd you go? Welcome back to the channel. So, we got, like I said in the previous clip that y'all seen, we got this car that's been dropped off. It has a rod knocking. It's a stock Y8 automatic car. And we're going to put this engine on the stand and get it rebuilt, freshen it up, and we will be sending it right back to Missouri so the guy can enjoy the car again. So we got a lot to do, and we got plenty of time with the car, but I'm not going to take my time with it. I'm going to try to bust it out as fast as I can. Weekends are my biggest free time to work on stuff because of my work schedule, you already know, during the week. So yeah, the weekend is here. It's Friday. I got today, tomorrow, Sunday, and I have Memorial Day off, which is Monday. It's awesome that I have that day off as well because Memorial Day fell on my birthday. So I'll be a big 28 this year. So that's exciting. So we'll go ahead and get this little series going. I ain't going to try to expand it out too long throughout the channel. We'll probably bust a bunch of stuff down throughout, maybe 3 or 4 videos. And we'll go ahead and get this series wrapped up. For those that don't know, the hatch is fully legal now. We do have a license plate on it, insurance, registration, all that good stuff. The only thing I'm waiting on now is I need to set up a date. Actually, first I need to find somebody local that I do trust to align this. That is not going to take no joyrides because I will not tolerate that whatsoever. I've seen too many incidents where customer cars have gotten destroyed, wrecked, blown up, whatever the case may be. But yeah, that's all we're waiting on with the hatch now. So I need to get this engine, this GSR, off the stand. I got it back together now. I just need a valve cover gasket, but everything is back together. I'm working with this tripod, so I'm trying to get like the angle. I'm not used to having a handle to hold on to, so I apologize if whatever I'm talking in the video is not being shown. I am working on that. So we gotta get this engine off the stand, and we wanna do that eventually. I got a little dolly over there. I'll throw it on, and that's what we're gonna put this Y8 on. So everything is literally here, so it's not gonna be like the quickest, simplest swap to pull out, because it does have power steering, AC, cruise control, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So, as y'all seen on the little time lapse, me and the wife finally got the swap out. As you can see, completely out. I'll probably spray down the engine bay a little bit, kind of clean it up, get all that gunk and stuff out. But yeah, got the Y8 sitting on a stand now. This thing is absolutely filthy. Looks like it's had a good oil pan leak, from what I can tell. So it's no bueno. We'll go ahead and get that squared away. You know, I did on Notorious automatic transmission for going out. Hopefully that don't go out next. But got the Y8 up on the stand. Got everything we need right here to rebuild it. And that'll be in the next video in part 2. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button. And if you are building a D series or rebuilding one, this will be a good series for you to watch. So video 2 will be tearing this down and seeing how bad these bearings are. I'm assuming it's going to be number 3 rod bearing. That's going to be my guess, because it's kind of notorious for them on cylinder 3. So we will get that torn apart in the next video, and I will see you guys then. I am out. Peace.